Hey guys, welcome to Tech Deer, and today I'm going to show you something really good. We are going to use CapCut in India without VPN. I don't have any VPNs in my laptop. I can show you. Uh, so in my VPN settings, I don't have any VPN connected. So there's no VPNs here, and if you search CapCut on the Microsoft Store, you will not get it anywhere. So it's actually banned. The app is totally banned. You can't even get it when you search it. Like if I just search it, you can see the website, but you can't open it. It will always show you an error. And also I tried another way, which was going to Microsoft Store and then opening the store from here. Like you can see CapCut, you can open it, but it won't come up. It will take a lot of time to load, but it will never come up. I have tried it. So let me just quickly close this. This never comes up. You can try it, but it never comes up. And I don't have a VPN enabled because this is also allowed to buy it. So I don't have a VPN yet. So basically I'll tell you how to use CapCut like in your PC without VPN. I don't have any VPN. I have my CapCut account which is created for my gaming channel. If you haven't subscribed to it, do subscribe. It's ᖼEEᗪᗷᗩτα Gaming. Do subscribe. So I can basically use CapCut completely here. Like I can just delete this project simply. Why did I create many projects? So I can open CapCut. I can like search for audio, text, stickers, everything. I have all these things here. I have effects, transitions, everything. It works without VPN completely. I also tried exporting a video. I tried editing a bit, then I deleted those projects. But it's working completely. CapCut completely works here. And so that's CapCut video editor. Here you can go to settings and all those stuff, account and things. See, settings, everything works out here. And also you can open up account and delete the account from here. You have version. This is the latest version. You can check for updates and stuff here, your current latest version. So this is completely legit, and it is completely official CapCut, and I'll show you how to install it. So don't miss a single step in the whole video. I think the video quality won't be that good, but I'll try to edit it as good as possible. So basically first you need a browser, which is Brave, which I'm currently using. So this is the browser. You just have to install this browser. This is a really safe browser which I use for my daily purposes. I can show you because if you see here, I have used it a lot. So I use this browser a lot. And what you have to do is come to the browser, open it. After installing, come here and click on private window with Tor. So when you click on that, sometimes it will show disconnected, so you'll have to close it and open it again. Like close it from here and open it again. So sometimes the issue gets solved. Like sometimes the first time you load it, it will show disconnected here. Now it shows it's connected. So once it's connected, you just have to search for CapCut, like with a space, because if you search it without a space, then sometimes it will show make you do the verification and things like I'm not a bot and stuff. So you'll have to do that, like cap space cut. Mostly that works out. Or like you can just put CapCut editing software, something like that. So when you do CapCut, you'll see the website here, CapCut.com, which is the official website for CapCut. You just click on it, and after clicking on it, so you just have to go to the official website. This is the official website here. You can also use online video editing, like from the browser itself. It's smooth. Like the speed might be a bit slow for the internet, but my normal internet is like 150 Mbps, but here the speed will go down because it's a Tor browser. But once it loads up, you can do online editing very easily because the speeds are okay. Like you can change the Tor connection from here to get a better speed, but it's okay. So I can just decline all these things and go to blank canvas and create one, and see it quickly creates a canvas, and you can edit from here also if you don't want to install it, like for basic small projects where there is a limit of like 500 MB. Now this is taking some time to load just because this time the Tor connection isn't good. You can just change the Tor connection and it will reload the site. So yeah, that also happens. Like you can just change the Tor connection, reload the site, and then you'll get a better connection here. So yeah, now it's faster, I guess. So yeah, let's not waste time in this, and let's just quickly come back to CapCut.com or CapCut. Let's just go to CapCut and I'll show you the steps to install it. So just go to CapCut, all-in-one video editor, the first link that comes up. There are no ads in this browser because this browser just disables all the ads and trackers, so it's good. So now what you have to do is just come here, download for Windows. You can check the whole website. This is the whole website. This is the genuine website where you can see what the editor does and stuff. So yeah, I really liked it, and since it's banned in India, it's hard to install, but this is the easiest way. Just click on download for Windows, and when you click on that, it will show you a setup file, which I already have, which is in my setups folder. I'll have to open that folder now. Yeah, so I already have that file here, which is CapCut. Yeah, you see, I already have that file downloaded, so I'll just cancel it, but you have to download it. After downloading that, just close the browser. You don't need the browser anymore. You just come here to your setup, which for me is in my E drive in my setups folder. Yeah, so now you just go to CapCut, click on it. This is the application which I used. I clicked on it, and then it will ask you for accepting the privacy policies. Just click on accept and install now. It will install the video editor, and then you can just click on the search bar and search for CapCut. You'll get CapCut. You'll open it. You'll open this page will come up. You'll be asked to sign in. Just click on sign in, continue with Google, sign in with your Google account, and here is CapCut. Okay, it's that easy. So this was a short tutorial on how to install it. I hope you liked it, and also soon I'll be uploading videos. I guess the frequency will be low, but I'll be uploading videos if I see something new. So right now CapCut was a very hot topic, so I thought to upload it. As you can see, I have CapCut here. I can just close it and open it again if you want. Yeah, I can open it again. I can open the CapCut again, and it totally works. Okay, here, professional video editor, CapCut, everything comes up perfectly fine. Yeah, you can do projects and everything. So this is a genuine CapCut installing video. So yeah, I already have it installed, so I don't want to uninstall it and reinstall it again. So I just showed you how. It's very simple. And also there's one more thing, all other tutorials on YouTube which are like going to some random website, I'll show you. If you open any browser and search for CapCut download, there are many random websites where you can download. See, CapCut for Android and stuff, but all these comes with viruses. Like if you put PC, you will get PC versions also. Yeah, see, but there will be viruses in it, so I never recommend those things. So yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. I I have searched a lot to do this CapCut video. It took me a long time to actually figure out how to install CapCut and not have any issues of like installing a VPN and stuff, because many people are not used to VPNs. Even I don't use VPNs. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Do subscribe and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.